Welcome to Ziplease. This dashboard is your central command center.
In the last video, we learned about how to add members, and in this video, we will learn about how this page works. So this page shows us all the member details. So first you can see their profile picture, their name, the sports they are playing. T stands for training member. Here we have their contact details, the badge and the plan, then fees, attendance, and NOC submitted. If we want to add notes, if you want to edit the player information, and in the three dots we have few more options. So let's start with attendance first. So we have checked in for those. Let's say Diya Mathur, the student, is present today, so we'll check her in today. So we we have marked the attendance. She is present for today. If you want to see her attendance, you can click on this and you can see how many days she was present in this month. And then you can come over here. This is NOC. Her NOC is pending, but if NOC is submitted, you will see this icon, and if her NOC is pending, this is her consent details. Then you can come to the edit notes. Here you can add a note. Let's say you want to call her regarding a tournament. So the contacted person should be a parent, player, whatever. Let's say you have to contact her parent, and the follow-up date would be around 5, and you can save it. So this note is set up, and you will get a follow-up on 5th. Then you can come to edit player. If you want to change anything, you can change over here. Now coming to this part, here is the fees. You can see the fees from here and here both. So this is all the detail. His fees is overdue. So what we can do is we can click on the record. If he has paid the fees in, let's say, June. Okay, so you have started again. So, and if we have changed his plan, we can select the, let's say you have changed the plan to quarterly, and we have started this, so the period will end on here, and I have given him an extension of 15 days, and I don't want it to be recurring. This is only for this quarterly period. Payment amount, I can enter the payment amount over here, that is 9,000. Agreed amount, let's say we have agreed on 9,000 only. The payment method was cash. I have put down here notes, and then I have clicked on record payment, and the payment is recorded. To download the receipt, I can click on the download invoice, and I have downloaded the receipt as well. So this is how the receipt looks like. Then coming back to the payment part, here if we have taken any additional amount for the student for any equipment or tournament, let's say we have taken 500 rupees for a tournament and in cash, and the payment date was today, and if I want to put any notes, and I can hit on record payment. Then if you want to edit the plan of the student, let's say the student has changed the plan, we can change it from here. Agreed fees, plan active from, extension, fees paid in advance, and we can save plan here. Edit due date, let's say their due date is 13 September, but I have to extend it, so I will change the date and update due date. So due date has been updated. We can view feedback over here for the student the coach has given. We can give feedback over here, and if let's say a student is there who want to end his subscription, let's say her, and she has not paid us since a long time and she want to end her subscription, so we can keep the end date over here. Remaining fees, let's say 0, there is no remaining fees. Remarks, if you want to give any remarks, and end subscription. So our subscription will be ended.